lollipop. Ooh.
I see that Miss Holly does not have a toy.
That's okay. I'll magic one. Ding dang dingy's eye. Magic me a little toy.
Miss Holly, magic is not allowed at elf school.
Only because elves can't do magic.
Elves could do magic if they wanted to, but elves don't do magic.
And we're elves.
Miss Holly, you can work on this toy owl for today,
Thank you, wise old elf.
and I will take this wand for now. So that you learn how to work the proper elf way without magic.
Oh,
Don't worry, you can have it back at the end of the class. Boys and girls, take out your hammers and remember to tap gently.
oh no, I didn't mean to do that.
Don't worry, Holly. I'll fix it. I've still got my magic wand.
But Mummy, magic isn't allowed at elf school.
Oh, it'll be all right. No one will notice. Knick-knack now, and this owl.
What was that loud bang?
I think there's a bit of storm brewing outside.
Well, as long as there's no magic going on.
I assure you, Mr. Old Elf, Princess Holly is not using magic.
Naughty Mummy son.
Oh, shush. Now it's time to paint our toys. Remember, be very careful. A little paint goes a long, long way.
Oh, Father, doing things without magic is very hard.
Maybe you need just a teeny tiny bit of magic.
Oh, are you sure?
This bad boy hates this toy.
Miss Holly, are you doing magic?
No, wise old elf, not me.
I think it's just a storm outside. It must be really close now.
There's something funny going on around here.
Wise old elf, what do you do next?
A good question, Holly. Next, we wind the toys up.
Don't worry. I'll just let little Holly.
Nanny Plum, have you been doing magic?
Just a teeny tiny little bit. Not very long.
You are a very naughty fairy.
Sorry, wise old elf.